Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Multinational Company Jobs for Engineers, Mechanical Engineer 1 at LAM Research Corporation, Bangalore. About the company. LAM Research Corporation is an American corporation that engages in the design, manufacture, marketing and service of semiconductor processing equipment used in the fabrication of integrated circuits. The company also builds equipment for back-end wafer level packaging and for later manufacturing markets such as for micro electromechanical systems. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0-year experience. That means 2022 batch students also can apply. Now let us see who can apply for this post. Mechanical engineering graduates can apply for this post. For getting full details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. You are watching the channel Engineering Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From our channel, every day 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. we will upload government jobs and private jobs for engineers. Now, let us see the details about this opportunity. LAM Research is the company name. Mechanical Engineer 1 is the post name. Date of publishing this opportunity is in November 9th, 2021. Location of posting will be in Bangalore. Requisition ID is 163997. Job responsibilities: design and development of mechanical components and subsystems, analyze design through simulation and hand calculations, validate design by making prototypes and performing testing, collaborate with cross-functional team for review, approval and release, participate actively in idea generation forums and contribute to innovative solutions, understand LAM products, business processes and standards, etc. Qualification is BE or BTech in mechanical engineering with a minimum 65% of aggregate. Graduating in 2022 without any backlogs also can apply. Minimum qualification: application of strength of material, theory of machines, heat and mass transfer and fluid flow principles to solve engineering problems, knowledge of various materials and their applications, knowledge of machining, welding, molding, sheet metal fabrication and casting process, etc. Preferred qualification: hands-on projects that include prototyping and assembly, advanced manufacturing methods, additive manufacturing and 3D printing, water jet machining, ceramic manufacturing, experience with 3D modeling, assembly using any CAD package, use of simulation tools such as ANSYS, NASTRA and CREO Simulate, etc. Role is Mechanical Engineer 1. Industry type is Research and Development. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Fresher 2022 batch mechanical engineers can also apply for the post as shown on screen. Internship for mechanical engineering pursuing students can apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide all these website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply any one of these posts, you can visit our video's description. From there, you can click the links provided on there, and by clicking those links, you will redirect to the direct website of the company and you can directly apply from there itself. That's all for the details of this job opportunity video from our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Every day 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. we will upload government jobs and private jobs for engineers. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Thank you.